What's good, everybody on the YouTube? It's your boy DJ Henton back with another video. First thing I want to start off, I thank you guys for all the support on my last SNKRFlea mystery boxing video I uploaded, which was my last upload. It's almost at 2,000 views, which I think that video ended up being my most viewed video on my channel. But without further ado, let's get right into this mystery box. So I ordered this mystery box on July 9th. And it just got here today, which is August 31st, so that's about like 6 weeks, maybe 6.5 weeks. So yeah, that's a pretty long wait. I've been waiting patiently, but hopefully I waited patiently for a winner, because we ain't doing this to catch L's. We doing this to get them golden tickets. So shipping label. There we go. Uh-oh. So this is what the box is looking like. So we're gonna get right into what's inside. So let me move my water. Put this right here. Alright, so the first T is this Antisocial Social Club. Oh, before I show y'all the T's, I ordered 4 mystery boxes, 1 small, 1 medium, 1 large, and 1 XL. So I did this to see, like, to try to guarantee myself a win, because you know you got like a 25% chance of winning. So I mean, yeah, let's see. So I got this first tee, the Paranoid tee, just a black and orange tee. What size is this? This is a large, so this is what came in my large mystery box. I don't even have nowhere to put these. Just put on my dog. Then I got, wait a minute. Oh, okay. You could get some Cactus Jack merch. Okay, so I got a large Travis Scott Cactus Jack merch. This is the Nike Air on the front with the highest on the back. Hope y'all can see that good. And that's a large. I got another large Travis Scott shirt. Hope y'all can see this good. And on the back it just says Cactus Jack behind the neck. And this is a XL. Alright. I also got another Travis Scott shirt. This is a medium. So on the front it's pretty, pretty simple. On the back it says highest in the room for promotional. I really like that song, Highest in the Room. It's a really good song. Wow, it pretty much looked like all I got was, Cactus Jack merch. I got another Cactus Jack. This one is brown, and this is a medium. We already got this shirt, just a different color. And I got the same shirt in the XL. Wow. So, all right. And it looks like we got another repeat shirt. This is a small, so this is part of the small mystery box I bought. And the last shirt is no golden ticket, but a small Astro World Wish You Were Here This is probably my favorite shirt out of all of these. So yeah, I'm gonna take my time to do my research to see what's all these shirts worth. I didn't get a golden ticket, but hopefully these shirts are worth something. But that's not going to be the end of this unboxing. I've had like quite a few packages you know, come in, so I was just like, I might as well just do one big unboxing. So this is one of my 2 packages from Supreme Fall Winter 20 week 1. All right, just bring everything out. Yes sir, I got a pair of gloves, the all white rubberized gloves, and I got a Pharaoh sticker with a camo Supreme sticker, and I think a regular red behind it. And this right here, all these 3 shirts are medium. I got a medium lovers tee, I got a medium stay positive tee, and I got the medium tire tee in orange. You see that huge tie right there. Here. I'm not really sure if these are for the body yet, so that's why I kept them in the packaging. And the other, that was actually my second order. I ordered this like 2 days after Thursday, and I actually ordered this Thursday around 11 a.m. So yeah, let's see what's in here. Alright, that's everything. So first things first, I got the purple small box tee in the small. This one sold out. You can see the small box on your left. Well, it's my left, I'm not sure. It might be your right. But yeah, that's one of the tees I got. That sold out. I got the name stickers, 1 pack in red. Also got the beanie. This is the loose gauge beanie. Got it in orange. As you can see, like, orange is one of my favorite colors. And this, oh, this is the water bottle. Why did it come in a bag? The compressible water bottle. I didn't get a sticker pack. Maybe they put it in here. Yep, so in this package they put a sticker pack, the water bottle, and another set of gloves. So yeah, this is the water bottle. I don't really plan on opening it because I don't think I'm using it. So yeah, I hope y'all know what it looks like. Another pair of gloves. I just got the Stay Positive sticker with a regular red BOGO sticker, and also I forgot what this is, but it came on a shirt. It looked like the rocket ship, and then they just put, you know, this for shipping. And I also got some Travis Scott Fortnite merch. This right here took so long. This took 4 months to get to me. And I think it would have took longer if I did not email customer service. So as soon as I emailed customer service after waiting about 11 weeks, it came like 4 days later. So it's in the tissue, but I'm gonna show you guys this. I actually think I want to keep this for the body, like for myself, because I really do like the shirt. Got it in a medium. Wow, this right here is really nice. It's like embroidered, or maybe I'm saying it wrong, but it's like you can feel it. And then this is the back. yeah, this shirt right here, it looks really nice. It gives me like them vintage vibes. And I also got two more things from this drop. These should be the vinyls. Whew, hopefully I didn't break any. I'll just leave it like that. Just slide them out. They gave me like my receipt. So I got two. I got one big one and one small one. Forgot the exact sizes. Let me see if it tells me. No, it doesn't. I believe one is like 15 and the other should be. No, this can't be 12. But yeah, I just got one of each size vinyl. And last but not least, I have a unboxing from Nike sneakers. So let's get right into it. I mean, Nike still puts the Just Do It on a tape, but at least they don't put like big Nike swooshes on a box anymore, because you know that's just begging for your package to get stolen. This sneaker right here is nothing crazy, honestly. It's really a GR. Like, I went to the mall the other day and I seen, like, you know, some stores, they still have it. But yeah, this is really probably my biggest unboxing on the channel. As you can see, it's items from 4 different stores. 4 different stores, 4 different companies, whatever. And as you can see now, it's a white box. So go ahead and bring it out. Got these in a size 11. It's the closest thing you can get to a Obsidian 12, which hasn't came out for a while. It's been a few years. And here they are, Jordan 12s. I believe they're called the Indigo or the Stone Blue Legend Blue. Retail cost me, I mean, it's $190, but I think it cost me like $201.40 or $202.40. So nothing too crazy. You know, these shoes. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Yeah, so this was my biggest unboxing on this channel. The main purpose of this video was the Sneaker Flea mystery boxing. That was the July 9th box. I got 4 of them. I got 1 small, 1 medium, 1 large, and 1 XL. As we can see, I didn't get a golden ticket. So hopefully, you know, these Cactus Jacks items are, you know, worth something. But if not, my, you know, favorite thing from everything I unboxed was definitely this shirt right here. This right here is astronomical. So yep. It's your boy DJ Henson. Again, I want to thank you all for all the support, the likes, and the comments on my last video, my first Sneaker Flea mystery unboxing. That's almost at 2,000 views. I don't know how this one's gonna do, but yeah. If you're wondering if I'm gonna cop the next month, I really don't know, because the price is increasing to $150. The cost of these 4 boxes cost me $519 and something cents, so about 520 bucks. So yeah, I didn't get a, you know, golden ticket on either box, and I don't want to keep taking L's, so I might as well just, you know, spend my money on something that I want, even if it's, you know, maybe $300. At least I know I wanted that item, rather than taking my chances at 150, 130, you know, mystery boxes. So yeah, it's your boy DJ Henson. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back as soon as I can. You know, I just need to get something I need to unbox, and I'm out. Peace.